What's up, dudes? Welcome back to my channel. I took off my braids yesterday. It was long overdue. And what's even more overdue is a haircut. My hair has been a mess for a while. I think my last haircut was in November. Yeah, I think it was in November. And it wasn't like a good haircut. So I'm just thinking, if going to a professional salon wasn't good, then maybe I can cut my hair by myself. Also, I have watched during lockdown, the British lockdown, which lasted over a year. I watched during the first lockdown in the UK all the Brad Mondo's video on YouTube, so I feel like I have the confidence to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna condition it with this cut by Fred conditioner. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna go for a Wolfcut. So I watched the Brad Mondo's tutorial. I watched all the Brad Mondo's video on Wolfcuts. So again, I feel like I'm confident enough to do it by myself. I won't use kitchen scissors. I did this in the past, cutting my hair with kitchen scissors back when I was emo, but I'm gonna go to the shops and I'm gonna buy kitchen scissors because I feel like if I watch the tutorial and I want to do everything perfectly, I might as well buy not kitchen scissors, like professional scissors. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. So I went and bought scissors at the shop. It's a professional hairstylist shop. This cost me, I think, 12 euros. The others were very expensive. I didn't know professional cutting scissors were very expensive, but yeah, so I think she could tell by my face that I didn't want to spend like 150 euros in scissors, so she told me to buy these ones. So yeah, let's do this. So there's still conditioner in my hair, but I remember that he said to like put your hair in a ponytail. I feel like I should wet my hair. Or should I? Huh. It's still pretty wet, but I just want to break the curls a little bit so I can make like a proper ponytail with no bumps. Ugh. Like this. And he said to like put the ponytail at the top of your head, which should be here, which is here. No bumps. So yeah, you can see that my hair, the ends are very, very dry. It's not perfect, but it will do. And then he said to like take one strand in the back. I feel like I'm gonna fuck up. And why am I running out of breath? Girl. Okay. So here. I feel like I should cut here. It's not a lot, but it's better to start small and then see later. I can't see myself in the mirror. Oh! Okay, it's happening. I know we're not supposed to pull our hair forward, but I can't see what I'm doing because I'm super tall. Okay, it's gone. The f am I doing? I think because I have curly hair, if I fuck up, it's not terrible because the hair will bounce back and I can still like hide the fuck up in the curls, if that makes sense. Okay, it's done. I did it. I did it. Okay, let's see. I got all of this, which I feel is good because I feel this needed to go anyway because it's like very dry and split ends and like dead hair. So now is the tricky part. It's where I've seen video, this is where people fuck up and like cut the hair too short, and yeah, this is already much better. I can see that the dead ends are gone. So I'm gonna split my hair in two, like Gen Z saying that we should not have side parts anymore, we should have middle parts. So we're gonna do this. Oh my god. Okay. And then Brad Mondo said that we need to like split somewhere behind the ear, so I'm just gonna try. I'm very bad at parting my hair, that's why I can't like really braid my own hair. Oh, is it? I feel like if I try again I'm gonna f up, so I'm just gonna go with this. I know Brad said you need to buy some clips, but I'm just gonna go with a good old hair tie. Oh, I like this shape thing. Huh, okay. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. Wait. Wait. That's better. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this that way. Tell me why I'm always cutting my hair. Okay. Okay, and then I think Brad said, oh my god, I should have watched the video again. Brad said to like pull the hair sideways and then cut the rest, which I'm gonna do because I don't care. Oh my god. I'm saying I don't care and then I hold my breath when I'm cutting. What is that? Okay, we'll see. We'll deal with that later, so I'm just gonna tie it. Maybe I should have brushed my hair as well on the other side. I don't know why I didn't think of it. Okay. Tell me why I wanted to cut my hair. Tell me why I didn't go to the salon. Oh! Snip, snip, snip. Okay. Oh, I feel like this is better than the other side. Okay, and then I think, is that it? I feel like I'm missing a step. I feel like this should be rounder and maybe like cut that way. Okay, let me check Brad's video. I'll be back. So I just watched Brad's video and I think I messed up. I think the ponytail was not high enough and there was definitely a fourth step which I was supposed to do, which I think I'm gonna do now, but I feel like I should re-ret my hair. I think that now, yeah, I think I'm gonna rinse my hair and try again. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. So my hair is wet now. And my hair, by the way, is so dry. I feel like for the next few weeks I'm gonna have to deep condition like every day. It is. Oh, wait, huh, I think I should cut a little more here, but look, you know what, that's why I love curly hair and like fresh haircuts. My hair was so damaged that those curls, they were not popping anymore, and now look at them. Oh, thank you, Black Jesus, for the curls. So then that's the part that I think I fucked up a little. He said to put like a triangle here. He said it didn't need to be perfect. Like the sectioning, it didn't need to be perfect. But he said to like see where your lips are. Sorry, like this. And to do a little bit like this. There's a lot of thinking here. Oh, where is it? Okay, bye. I think I'm not gonna try and do this too much because curly hair is gonna bounce up and then I'm gonna have the weird Courtney Cox Scream 2 fringe. But like curly, that's not gonna be cute. So I'm just gonna be careful around the face here. I don't want to be looking too crazy. So lips, again, that's gonna be my weekend. So, is it? No, it's actually not gonna be my weekend. Okay, let's try and do this. I hope it's gonna be okay. Did I cut too much? Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I'm not gonna be too crazy. Oh! Ooh! 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 I like what's going on. I like what's going on because then, you know, this side is definitely longer. But am I gonna touch it? Should I touch it? Maybe just a little up. Yeah, you go. You're going to maybe, sorry, because you look cute, but I'm gonna have to, oh, and maybe a little bit of you too. Okay, that's it. I said I'm not gonna let myself get carried away. This one looks weird. Does it look weird? Oh man, stop. Okay. So, where are you coming from? Bye. Okay, I'm gonna try and do the same. Should I do like kind of the same here? Like, you go, and you should go, probably too. Yeah, oh, that's much better. Na, na, na. That's not too bad, is it? Collarbone, kind of even. But then what about the layers in the back? Am I not gonna look crazy? I feel like it looks a little bit crazy. I'm gonna wet my whole head and then maybe try and put like the ponytail really here and snap it one last time. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'm back. I just rinsed my hair. Still very, very dry. Still needs some like deep conditioning. Why is dealing with my hair like a whole workout? Like, why am I running out of breath? Oh, now I kind of understand why some hairstylists don't want to deal with curly hair, because curly hair is a whole workout. Okay, that's it. I'm done cutting. But also, hairstylists should be able to cut any kind of hair. Oh, look at me. I'm like someone from the 80s. Oh, girls just want to have fun or whatever. I think I messed up that. I sound like Whitney Houston and then it was like Cindy Lauper. But anyway, let's see. Because right now, I look like a crazy person. Yeah. I think the Wolfcut thing. Maybe my hair is too long. But anyway, I feel like my hair has like more shape. It's not perfect, but it has more shape. It's not like a dead triangle. And all the deadheads are gone, kind of. I said I'm not gonna get carried away, but I'm still gonna try and do my best to make it look cute. See, that's good. That's like layers. I almost dropped my croissant. Don't get carried away, sister. Don't get carried away. Don't pull too much. Don't pull too much. Where are you? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Je sais plus ce qu'il dit. And dream tonight. I need somebody and always to seek strange darkness. Creeping on, so hunting every time. And I counted. Watched them all, the spiders. Catching things and eating their insides. And eating. I think I look cute. I'm gonna stop here. I think I look cute. I look way cuter than before. I think I have my little Tracy Ellis Ross thing going on. I like that it's round. I think I did a good job, so I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna put the scissors away. Bye scissors, thank you for your hard job. Thank you Brad Mondo for your tutorial. Sorry I kind of f***ed up. How does it look from the back? I don't care, I have curly hair, it's gonna bounce up. And yeah, I feel lighter for summer. That should be like a Demi Lovato song. Lighter for summer. Not like a diet song, but like, I look fabulous. So now I look crazy, I have hair everywhere, my mom is gonna kill me. But thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you, bye!